My name is Cecilie, I'm from Denmark, and I'm a MADE PhD working at CBS in close collaboration with Novo Nordisk. So Novo Nordisk is doing and designing and implementing a take-back system on used insulin pens. So instead of people throwing them out after use, they have to return them so they can be recycled and used again for other purpose. My PhD is focusing on the front end of this take-back program, looking into the circular economy and the whole consumer behavior attitude towards this take-back system. So are people willing to actually participate or not? What can influence them and motivate them to go down and return their pens? I am halfway through my PhD, and so far we learned several things. For example, there's a gap between people's intention and willingness to return and actually behavior in the end. The next thing we're looking into now is, for example, what can we do to prolong and maintain their willingness to go down and return the pens so we keep a constant flow over time as also in the future. Also, we have developed a playbook for other Novo Nordisk affiliates around the world for them to use all the learnings we learned from the Danish pilot on how to implement and design a take-back program so it can be implemented in other Novo Nordisk affiliates around the world. My goal with my PhD is creating two tools. The first tool is a playbook, which is already done. The second tool is a behavioral tool map of people's behavior. So the other countries, they easily can identify and map and know how to impact their end consumers in order for them to participate in their take-back programs. Data plays a huge role in take-back initiatives throughout the whole take-back program. Focusing on my area, it's an important factor to look into, or both through in terms of the return rates, people's willingness before you design the take-back, and qualitative interviews, all mixing this together to make some kind of proof of concept in the end to see if there's actually is a willingness to get a take-back program in this society or country. I would like to ask Gwendoline if she has talked to her end consumers to get any inputs or inspiration in her development of her PhD research.